Rivet Ed here. Welcome back to another bicycle vlog. We are just taking a ride today. Not anything else special. This is one of my favorite areas to take a ride in, so I figured we'll do it. Got the camera hooked up, connected to my bike, as I've done in the past. I'm running two different microphone solutions today. I have my hardline backup going to a external audio recorder. And I'm also running a wireless USB-C lavalier. See if that does anything different. In my last vlog, I tried to use just the onboard and the onboard audio recording, and it did a great job until the wind picked up, and then all I could hear was the and I don't know of any way to change it, so it could be a setting that I just don't know about. I'm a little out of breath, so I apologize. I'm going for about a half an hour, mostly uphill, so trying to lose some weight, get a little healthier. It's a process and a half, to say the least. I'm going to go further in this trail than I have, just for shits and giggles. Don't feel like being on the camera today, just not up to it. I don't know if you guys have ever done this. It's hard not to be super self-critical of yourself on camera. And I found that as I've gotten older and gained a little bit of weight, I just do not care for my current body form. I guess it's a little bit of a form of body dysmorphia, but it is what it is. I'm dealing with it. I do like making content. I don't always have to be the center of attention. I do like talking. So there's gonna be days like today you guys just get a nice chill bike ride through the woods. It's a trail system we have here, and I'm trying to take full advantage of it while I can, because winter is fast approaching and I will not be able to cycle as much as I would like. I'm still going to get out and do some stuff. I usually do, but I would really like to not be out of breath all the time. It's becoming a problem. And I know it's all weight related too, so sometimes just going on my walks, I win myself. Every one of these bike rides, for sure, I win myself. It's getting better, but it's not great. And times like right this moment, where I'm going up a slight incline, and it's hard enough to do it, let alone try to do it and talk. So, but then again, most people can't talk and exercise. They scream. We're good at that. So I'm digging the camera. There's a lot to like about it. I got the new microphone, which is what I'm testing it today. It's just a cheap wireless lavalier. I paid $20 for it, just to see. If it's something I want to expend more on, I may. Or if this is good enough, then I'll use it. I don't need perfect audio. Whew. I would like my younger body back. I tell you, I don't mind getting old. The age doesn't bother me. My mind still works great. The body, though, just the worst part of this whole thing. And especially if you haven't been kind to your body. I mean, I was a smoker for years. I mean, I gave it up quite a while ago, but still. I'm sure I've aged a lot more because of it. It was useless and pointless. I'd like to go back to my younger self and warn him about that. Who knows? Whew. So I did pause my recording because I severely ran out of breath. And I wanted to walk for a little bit and catch my breath. And like I said, I'm not used to taking this trail and doing this, so I kind of overexerted myself a little bit, which is fine. Gotta learn your limits. So I'm heading back down the way I used to go. What I worry about here, the area I'm in, is I live on a bit of a hill. So I can traverse across the hill pretty good. And it goes for 5 or 6 kilometers. But going up and down the hill is problematic because it's fairly steep. And I'm not good at it. I've walked it a few times and ran out of breath. And it's like a 200 and some odd foot incline over about a half a kilometer. So it's a fairly steep hill and it's rough. So I'm working on it. It's one of the downsides to where I'm living. But the other parts seriously outweigh any of the hardships of this hill. And I'm using it as a I don't know, like a learning thing for myself to try to get healthier so that you keep on trying that hill every week and eventually it becomes easier and easier to deal with. Now also, this is the 3rd time in as many days that I've taken this trek. And so I've been pushing myself a fair amount lately, bicycling and walking. Again, trying to exercise and lose some of this weight. I figure I've probably gained between 20 and 30 pounds over where I want to be. I know I'm well over 200 pounds again. And that's not where I want to be. I'm only 5'9". So that's an unhealthy level for me to be in. So I'm doing my best. I got to start working on some cardio at home for the winter. And that's a hard one for me. I got a stationary bike last year and it was miserable. That mindset is like, for me, I need that cool breeze on my face when I'm outside cycling. When I'm sitting in my apartment watching TV, it does not feel like exercise. Like right now, I smell wood smoke and it smells amazing. So I absolutely feel like I'm outside exercising right now. Whew. Okay. I'm getting near the end of the trail. So where I came in on it would be, I don't know, about a half kilometer to the left. So it kind of winds in, up and around. So I do a bit of a C when I'm in it. Yeah, in all honesty, I came out today to get bananas. I have banana every morning with my oatmeal, and I go through a fair number of them, which is good. I like my bananas. I like my morning oatmeal, to be honest. Just an overnight oatmeal that I make. Mash a banana, a little bit of cocoa, a little bit of peanut butter, some chia seeds, a third a cup of whole oats, uncooked, and a third a cup of oat milk, nut milk, whatever I'm using. Mash it all together, put it in a container, eat the next morning. And it tastes amazing. And it's helped me have something to eat in the mornings. First off, I was notoriously horrible at eating breakfast for years because I didn't care for it. I don't really care for muffins and all that kind of shit. And I don't like a full heavy breakfast. To be honest, I would rather have like, I don't know, soup. Soup would be good for me. Congee would be amazing. You know, I'll probably start making some congee here this winter. I've made it in the past, but I'm not really usually much of a sweet guy. I don't really care much for sweets. But I get the sweetness from the banana, and there's a little bit of sugars in some of the nut milks that I get. I try to get the unsweetened, but it's not always available. So kind of take what you get. So bananas have been bought, and as per usual, I got more than I intended to. Today, I got slippers. Yep, indoor slippers. I used to have a pair of sandals in my old place that I bought years ago when I lived in Halifax. And I've always been doing like sandals, like I've been wearing them for decades. It all started with Birkenstocks, and wear them outside and in the house, and I just found that wearing sandals indoors is more comfortable for me. So I started doing it more and more often to where I just do it all the time. So I haven't had a good pair of slippers in a while. I bought a cheap pair from Walmart, but I hate them. So these are just slip-on big fluffy things with memory foam. I'm like, perfect. With my plantar fasciitis, if I don't have something soft in the morning on my foot, it hurts for a while. So I have found that just something little helps. So I'm okay with it. It's just me, so big fluffy slippers. They got bunny ears on them for all I give a shit. As long as they're comfortable, I'm happy. I used to have a pair years ago that looked like Bigfoot. They're like monster feet. Those are great. I miss that kind of shit. Yeah, when I was younger, I used to, and I'm not talking like teenagers, like in my 30s, I would buy all the toys that came with like McDonald's meals, and if it was tied into a movie or something, I'd buy them, and I'd have a whole bunch of them in and around my computer. it just kind of made me feel like, I don't know, comfortable. Something I'd always wanted when I was younger was a whole bunch of toys, but I never had them. Because we moved so often. And so when I got married, we didn't move as much. So I was able to settle a little bit. And then, well, after the divorce, I moved a lot again. I'm thinking I should get my toys back again. I might. Who knows? I had a bunch of them when I lived in Toronto before I started doing YouTube. And they got put into storage when my ex and I moved down to Florida together. And I never got them back, which is, you know, part and parcel with a breakup. Whatever. It's not the end of the world. My Austin Powers dolls lost their ability to talk. Oh, what an idiot. This has been a lovely day. Barring the the time earlier when I lost my breath. That kind of sucked. But I'm taking it easier since. Taking a ride, taking a break, walking, taking a ride, taking a break. I think it's just what I need to do today. Allergies have been really bad lately too. So I think that's part of it. But who knows what, if anything, is going to work from this. I found that my USB lavalier mic didn't have enough charge to last for what I was doing, so it died. I was like, oh God. I don't know if I charged it enough, or I probably didn't. I'll have to do some tests on it, see how long it lasts. Or I might just have to go back. But my external solution seems to work good enough anyway. It's a matter of syncing up the audio within DaVinci. And that's fairly easy to do. There is a thing built into DaVinci to do it for you. But because the DJI breaks the videos into chunks, the audio does not sync up. Okay. Yahoo! Okay. I think I'll go up here. I have not done this one yet. I see a hill. And apparently I am a masochist, so I want to ride said hill. Well, I am taking the sidewalk, which has the bigger hill over the road, purely out of a safety thing. Ouch. I gotta get my bike tuned up. The gears have started slipping. Oh. Okay. Whew. Yeah, that was a good little hill for me. There we go. Oh, the joys. It's lovely today. I'm just trying to go for a bit of a longer bike ride than normal. Just trying to force myself into exercising more. I kind of need it. When I stopped at the last place, I had sweat dripping from my head. So I was like, okay, this is good. When it's 12 degrees centigrade out and you're sweating, you've done good. I can feel the cool breeze too. It feels delightful. But I am, yeah. Ooh, is that a trail? It's not a trail per se, but I'm going to take it. This is my weird abilities of like, I did this when I was a kid. I'd go out for a ride and I'd see a little cut. Could you go slower? And I'd see a little cut and I'd take it. And you never know what I'd end up. I loved it. I've been meaning to take my drone out here. Who knows? Oh, community center here. Oh yeah, this sucks. Grass is not fun to bike on. I would much rather dirt. Oh, there you go. I'm assuming this is the shit I'm allergic to right now. Anything super fluffy, I've always been allergic to. And as I got down here, I could feel my nose start to get stuffed up and my chest to get tight. And I'm like, yep, I'm allergic to something here. Ooh. Oh, this is fun. I don't want to go up it. Coming down it though, I'm in. Cool. Oh yeah, this is good for me. Whew. Do I take it this way? Yeah. I don't see any people. This is beautiful today. Didn't make that turn. Ugh. Kind of tempted to go through, go into some other areas that I haven't been. I like it. Okay. Hello, pigeons. Whew. This is beautiful out here. Barren as fuck. Not too sure how far I should go because that looks like a highway. I have no clue. Hills everywhere here though. Kind of tempted to see what this is over here. Because again, I'm in areas I don't know. That kind of looks like a major road. Oh, this should be interesting. I'm a few kilometers from my place. And this hill looks pretty serious. I think I'm not going to take that part. Let's see what's over here. I can go down a little bit of it because I went up a fair chunk of it that I was. Yeah. I'm tempting fate for sure. Oh well. As long as I don't go down too far. Okay, I kind of have an idea where I'm at. Yeah, I'm gonna go uphill a little bit. See if I can cross over here. Oh, stupid gears. Keep popping. Yeah, that's not gonna go. Well, I did it to myself. Okay, I'm gonna sign off here and walk. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you all in our next one. Take care, everybody. Bye.
This is a song for all the